Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the example related to congruence. So, first example, find the remainder of 5 की power 48 when it is divided by 24. So, since 25 is congruent to 1 modulo 24, because by definition of congruence 24 divides 25 minus 1, so we can write 25 is congruent to 1 modulo 24, or 25 can be written as 5 का square is congruent to 1 modulo 24. This implies 5 square की power 24 is congruent to 1 की power 24 modulo 24. We use the theorem that if a is congruent to b modulo m, then a की power n is congruent to b की power n modulo m for all n belongs to m. We have already discussed this theorem, and we take 5 square की power 24 because we have to prove that 5 की power 48. So that's why we take 5 square की power 24. So this implies that 5 की power 48 is congruent to 1 की power 24 is 1 modulo 24. Hence the required remainder is 1. This is the remainder, that 5 की power 48 when divided by 24 leave remainder 1. Next example, find the remainder when 3 की power 40 is divided by 20. Since 3 is congruent to 3 modulo 20, because 20 divides 3 minus 3, that is 0. 20 divides 0. 0 is divisible by any number. So this implies 3 का square is also congruent to 3 का square modulo 20, because if a is congruent to b modulo n, and then a square is a की power n is also congruent to b की power n modulo m. So this implies that 3 square is congruent to 9 modulo 20. Also taking square both side, 3 की power 4 is congruent to 9 square modulo 20. So 3 की power 4 is congruent to 9 square is 81 modulo 20. So we can also divide 81 by 20. When 81 divided by 20, it gives us remainder 1. So 3 की power 4 is congruent to 1 modulo 20. We can write this because they are similar. So we can write 3 की power 4 is congruent to 81 modulo 20, and 3 की power 4 is congruent to 1 modulo 20. Now taking, because we have to prove that 3 की power 40, so we taking power 10 both sides, so 3 की power 4 की whole power 10 is congruent to 1 की power 10 modulo 20. So 3 की power 40 is congruent to 1 modulo 20. Thus the remainder is, hence the required remainder is 1 when 3 की power 40 is divided by 20. Now example number 3, find the remainder when 2 की power 50 is divided by 7. So since 2 is congruent to 2 modulo 7, therefore 2 का cube is congruent to 2 का cube modulo 7. 2 का cube means this is equal to 8 modulo 7, or 8 when divided by 7 it leaves remainder 1. 7 when divided by 8 leave remainder 1. So we can also write it as 2 की power 3 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. This implies that 2 की power 3 की power 16, because we have to prove that 2 की power 50. So 2 की power 50, so we reach toward near to 50. So 16 3 is a 48. So 2 की power 3 की whole power 16 is congruent to 1 की power 16 modulus 7. 2 की power 48 is congruent to 1 की power 16 is 1 modulo 7. So let this be equation star. Also 2 का square is congruent to 2 का square modulo 7, because 2 is congruent to 2 modulo 7. So 2 का square is congruent to 2 square modulo 7. So from equation star and double star, 2 की power 48 into 2 की power 2, when we multiply this, then we get this 1 into 2 की power 2 modulo 7. So 1 into 2 की power 2 is nothing but it is 4. So therefore 2 की power 50 when divided by 7 leaves remainder 4. So this gives the remainder. This gives the remainder. Now next example, find the remainder when 2 की power 30 is divided by 3 की power 41. Since 2 की 341 can be written as 11 into 31. Also 340, this 340 can be written as 65 into 8. So therefore 2 की power 5 is equal to 32 and 32 is congruent to minus 1 modulo 11, because by definition of A is congruent to B modulo M when M divides A minus B or B minus A है ना. So 32 is 32 minus 1, it is 32 minus 11. 32 is congruent to minus 1 modulo 11 means 11 divides 32 minus 1. So this implies that 11 divides 33. 32 plus 1 is 33. So 11 33 को divide करता है. It means we can write 32 is congruent to minus 1 modulo 11. Thus 2 की power 5 की power 68, taking power 68 both side. So minus 1 की power 68 modulo 11 by using theorem. Again we use the same theorem that if A is congruent to B, then A की power n is congruent to B की power n modulo n. This implies that 2 की power 68 into 5 is 340 is congruent to minus 1 की power even number, so it become 1 modulo 11. Let this be question number 1. Also 2 की power 5 is congruent to 1 modulo 31, because 2 की power 5 is equal to 32. So when 31 by definition M divides, this 31 divides 32 minus 1. 32 minus 1 is nothing but it is 31. So 31 divides 31. So we can write 2 की power M is congruent to 1 modulo 31. So therefore 2 की power 5 की power 68 is also congruent to 1 की power 68 modulo 31. That is 2 की power 340 is congruent to 1 modulo 31. From 1 and 2 implies that 2 की power 340 is congruent to 1 into modulo 11 into 31. This implies 11 into 31. 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 की power 30 is congruent to 1 modulo 341. Therefore 2 की power 30 when divided by 341 gives us remainder, leaves the remainder 1. So we prove this result by using theorem. We know that if A is congruent to B modulo M and A is also congruent to B modulo N, and M and N, GCD of M and N is 1, M and N, GCD of M and N is 1, then we can write that A is congruent to B modulo M into N. So here we use this result because 11 and 31, GCD of 11 and 31 is 1, so we directly multiply the result. So A is congruent to B modulo M into N. So we use this result in, this is the theorem number I think 7 in your book. This is theorem number 7 in your book. So tomorrow we will discuss more examples related to this topic. Thank you very much.